Good day, AP Biology students. Welcome to video lecture episode 15. Today we're going to get into chapter 41 a little bit, but first I want to just briefly mention again the warm-up questions that we ended our previous lecture with. So warm-up question number 1 stated this: what is the principle of countercurrent exchange? Question 2, what are the 4 classes of macromolecules? Question 3, you eat a piece of candy. List the structures it passes through as it travels through your alimentary canal. And question 4, where does most of the digestion of the candy talked about in question 3 happen? Alright, so these slides should already be posted up, so if you for some reason can't hear when I'm mentioning the questions, go back and look at the slides and then just make sure you either submit the answers in the previous lecture or in this lecture. Alright, let's look at slide 29. Slide 29 has a picture of this bear grabbing this fish, and this is a bear more likely grabbing a salmon, I think, if I remember correctly what this picture is taken from. So chapter 41 is called Animal Nutrition. That's what we're going to talk about, animal nutrition. So what do you need to know as we go through this? Well, one thing you need to know is major compartments of the alimentary canal, that is the organs, and their contributions to the animal's nutrition. Another thing, digestive glands, salivary, pancreas, liver, gallbladder, and their contributions to animal nutrition. And lastly, digestion of carbs, that being carbohydrates, proteins, fats, and nucleic acids. Alright, so let's move to slide 31. There's a term on there I want you to understand. What is essential nutrients? Well, essential nutrients are those nutrients required by cells obtained through food. Now, there are 4 classes of essential nutrients. There are essential amino acids, which includes 8. There's essential fatty acids. There are vitamins, 13, which are fat-soluble and water-soluble, and there are minerals. All right. Now, just to finish up this lecture, just look at slide 32 and 33. There's some tables here. One table mentions about both water-soluble and fat-soluble vitamins that are vitamin requirements for humans, and then also slide 33 has the mineral requirements of humans. So just take a look at those, review those, and if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments below or send me a message. I do hope this lecture has been helpful. Have a nice day. Take care. Goodbye.